In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Cash app with a straightforward, step-by-step installation guide. Whether you're using an Apple device or an Android phone, installing this handy app is quick and simple, and it will get you on your way to managing your finances more effectively. So, let's dive into the process. First, you're going to want to locate the App Store on your Apple device or the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. These are the official platforms where you can download apps securely. Simply tap on the icon to open the store. If you haven't done this before, you'll find these icons commonly located on your home screen or accessible through your device's search feature. Once the platform of choice is open, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed, usually at the top of the screen. Next, in the search bar, type in Cash App Bank App. As you're typing, you may notice suggestions appearing beneath the search bar. Keep typing until you see the correct option. This ensures that the app you download is indeed the authentic and official Cash app developed by Square Inc. Once you've completed your search and the results appear, go ahead and locate the official Cash app. You'll recognize it by its clean design and distinct logo, which features a green square with a white dollar sign. Tap on the app to be directed to its main download page. Now that you're on the app's page, you'll see comprehensive information, including an overview of the app's features, user reviews, and ratings. It's quite useful to skim through these sections, especially the reviews, to ensure the app meets your expectations and to get a sense of what other users think of it. When you're ready, simply click the Install button. This button is prominently placed and may sometimes appear as Get on Apple devices. Tapping it will start the download process. On Apple devices, you might be prompted to confirm the installation with your Apple ID password or via Face Touch ID, while Android devices often request permission to access certain features of your phone before proceeding. Downloading time may vary based on your internet speed. Once the app is fully downloaded, you'll see an option to open the app directly from the store. Alternatively, you can return to your home screen or app drawer where the app icon will be visible among your other apps. Tap on it to launch the app, and from there, you'll be guided through the initial setup, which includes linking your financial information and personalizing app settings to suit your needs. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've successfully installed the Cash app on your device. Now you can easily send or receive money, pay bills, or even buy Bitcoin, all within a few taps. I hope you found this guide helpful, and it makes the process of setting up your Cash app smooth and hassle-free. Enjoy exploring all the features this app has to offer.